Forno Appliances is proud to showcase the 40-inch Moena refrigerator. Made with the durable and reliable VCM stainless steel for great surface finish. Thick, durable Pro-style door handles. The inner fridge capacity is of 12.12 cubic feet. You can customize the shelves position as they are fully adjustable. There are 2 large storage bin drawers. The French door shelves provides you with wider shelving, giving you ample room. Convenient see-through drawer bins. Illuminated with LED smart light. The control panel is conveniently located on the side door, with door alarm in case you forgot to close it. This unit is equipped with a 4.3-liter ice maker that can output a large amount of ice. There are 2 freezer drawers with a total capacity of 7.14 cubic feet. The second freezer unit comes equipped with a sliding drawer. The 1820 model offers you ample storage space to fit your everyday food storage needs. This unit comes equipped with an elegant trim kit.